Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of freelancing. If you're looking for ways to make money online, freelancing platforms are an excellent option. In this video, we'll explore the top freelancing platforms where you can find lucrative opportunities. So, whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just getting started, let's explore the best platforms for making money. 1. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest and most popular freelancing platforms, offering a wide range of job categories, from web development to writing, design, and more. It's a great place to find both short-term and long-term projects. Upwork provides a convenient platform for both clients and freelancers to find and collaborate with each other. It has become particularly popular for remote work, allowing businesses to access a global pool of talent and for freelancers to find clients from around the world. 2. Freelancer. Freelancer is another well-established platform where you can find various job listings. It's known for its competitive nature, where freelancers bid on projects posted by clients. If you're good at winning bids, you can secure some high-paying gigs here. Freelancer.com has a global user base, making it a popular choice for businesses and individuals looking to outsource various tasks and projects. Freelancers on the platform can find opportunities from clients worldwide. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is unique in that it allows freelancers to offer their services, known as gigs, in a wide array of categories. Whether you're a graphic designer, copywriter, or digital marketer, Fiverr lets you showcase your skills and connect with clients looking for specific services. Fiverr also has a wide variety of creative and specialized services, making it a popular choice for tasks like logo design, content writing, and digital marketing. 4. TopTal. TopTal is a platform for top-tier freelancers in the software development and design fields. If you're highly skilled and looking for premium projects, TopTal is the place to be. It prides itself on connecting freelancers with prestigious clients. 5. 99design. For all the talented graphic designers out there, consider 99designs. This platform specializes in design contests, where clients post their design needs and freelancers submit their concepts. If you have a creative flair, 99designs can be a great source of income. 6. Guru. Guru is a platform that offers a range of job categories, and it's particularly known for its flexibility. You can work hourly, per project, or on a recurring basis. It's a versatile platform for freelancers of all types. 7. People per hour. This platform focuses on connecting freelancers with projects in web development, writing, design, and marketing. It's especially suitable for those seeking part-time or remote work opportunities. 8. Freelance writing platforms. If you're a freelance writer, you might want to explore specialized writing platforms like TextBroker, Writer Access, or Constant Content. These platforms connect writers with clients seeking high-quality content, and they're great options for those who excel in the art of words. 9. Remote job platform. For those looking for remote jobs and freelancing opportunities, don't forget about remote job platforms like remote.co, we work remotely, and FlexJobs. These platforms curate remote work opportunities from various industries, including tech, marketing, and customer support. And there you have it. Remember that building a successful freelancing career takes time, dedication, and continuous improvement. It's about showcasing your skills, delivering high-quality work, and building a strong reputation on these platforms. Whether you're a freelancer by choice or necessity, freelancing can provide a flexible and rewarding income source. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. And if you have any favorite freelancing platforms or success stories to share, feel free to do so in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today.